In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Analytics in your Next.js project. So I'm going to assume that you already have set up your Next.js project, and we are going to use a Next.js library that is called third parties. That particular library is a collection of various components and utilities that allow you to improve the experience of Next.js. So I'm going to go to the terminal and I'm going to type npm install at next/third-parties, and this is going to install the necessary dependencies that also contain the Google Analytics component that we are going to use inside Next.js. Once it's been installed, I'm heading over to the layout.tsx, and in the imports, I'm going to type import Google Analytics from at next/third-parties/Google. So this is going to import the Google Analytics component that will allow you to set up tracking information. So now if we head down to the root layout, under the body, I'm going to add this component, Google Analytics, and I'm going to pass in a prop that is called GAID. GAID is a Google Analytics ID that you can use. It usually starts with G- and includes the rest of the ID here. So once you've done that, now you're going to be able to track your Next.js project with Google Analytics. Another good thing to know is that the Next third-parties library also supports Google Tag Manager and other third-party libraries. So if you want to check what it actually supports, you can just head over to the Google declarations of the third-parties library, and you can see that you can add a Google Tag Manager. We obviously have Google Analytics. We can also do a YouTube embed and a Google Maps embed as well using the same app. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.